How to download and install apps on Samsung TV. Press the home button on your remote control. Select apps and then select the search icon in the top right corner. Enter the app you want to download and select it. You'll see details about the app as well as screenshots and related apps. Select Install. You need a Samsung account to download apps onto your smart TV. Your Samsung account is a free integrated membership service that enables you to use Samsung services on smartphones, tablets, TVs and other devices. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, like, share and subscribe my channel.